RAID 6. So we can see here there's a 5 drive in the RAID 6, and the second one is at 40 and it got removed from the RAID 6. Okay, so now I already added a new drive to replace the 41. So we can see here, so we have a SDC1, SDA1, they are good. And so there is a SDB, which is the new drive. The second one, SDB, which is a new drive I added to replace the 40 drive. So the last one in this screen is the SDD, which is a good one. And we also have a SDE1, so which is also a good one. So there's a 5 hard drive, and the SDB1 is the failed one. So how do we add this new drive back to the RAID? So let's first we need to partition the new hard drive. We can use fdisk /dev/SDB, and yeah, SDB. And also remember, for the RAID partition, we needed to use the ID FD, meaning Linux RAID auto detect. Just remember that. But right now we have no partition on this new drive. Let's make a new partition. Primary, that's okay. Default, that's okay. Just enter, use the default. So now we have a new partition on the new drive, SDB1, but the file system, the partition ID is 83, which is not for RAID. We needed to change that with T. We can use L to list all the ID, and FD is what we want. Linux RAID auto detect, FD. Okay, so now let's print. So this new partition SDB1 has FD Linux RAID auto detect, which looks good. Let's write. Now we can mdadm to add the new partition back to the RAID. Manage dev. I forgot the command. Let's see, mdadm. So as you do mdadm manage RAID md0, add the new partition back as SDB1. Okay, so now let's show the detail of the RAID. So you can see at the bottom here, SDB1 is a spare rebuilding. So it's re-adding the SDB1 back to the RAID, and rebuild status shows 11% complete. And let's run the command again. 41% complete. And 47 complete. You can also show this command. So MD0 active, recovery 57%. %75 complete. %87. 94%. Rebuild the status. Now it should be done. Okay, so the rebuild is done. Now we have a 5 partition in the RAID 6. It's fully recovered. Okay, thank you.